Welcome, today I am with Motorola Edge 20 Pro and I'll show you few the most useful options that you can find right here. So let's start, and we are in the photo mode. We can quickly increase or decrease brightness level. You have to tap on the screen and then move this settings icon like that. You can increase or decrease it manually. You can also make it automatically by double tap on the screen. The same in the video mode. Okay, let's go back for the photo mode, because when we expand the slider, we can add the timer, so we can go for the 3 or 10 seconds. It's useful, for example, when you try to take the group selfie or the group photo. You can put your phone at tripod, select 3 seconds, tap on the shutter, then quickly move to the front of your camera, and the photo after that time will be taken. You can also set the longer time, the 10 seconds, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off right now. I do want to get this delay. And another option that we can use will be in the settings. So when you are here and we are going for the capture settings, as you can see, we can find this option called tap anywhere to capture. So when you turn it on and then go for the camera mode, we can tap on the screen and the photo will be taken. So it's useful when you hold your phone like that. You try to take selfie, but you cannot use your left hand or right hand, depends on in which you hold your phone. But basically you can just tap on the screen and the photo will be taken. You know, it helps us when we take when you cannot reach this shutter right here. So just tap on the screen and then we can take photos. Okay, and right now we are going right here for the more modes, where we can find the dual capture. So we can take video at the same time from the selfie camera and from the rear camera. Take a look. As you can see, I'm right here on the selfie camera, and on the rear camera you can see my hand. Of course, we can switch them by tapping on these arrows. We can record the video, as you can see. We can also change the film like that, or we can split like that and move. We can of course zoom for both cameras. Okay, never mind, it's not working, but we can also make dual video from the same camera, so from the rear camera, for example. And we can also use very useful option. There's the 108 megapixel mode. It's right here. It's called the ultra resolution. So basically we can take a photo with the more details. I will try to show you. Maybe I will grab the bottle of the water that is in front of me. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a photo of this bottle of the water that it's in the corner. Okay, the photo was taken, but let me just take a look if I catch focus on it. No, unfortunately not. So I have to turn off this touch option that I show you. Okay, and right now, let me try one more time. Okay, right now it will be perfect. So that's the photo with ultra resolution mode, and that's without it. And let's take a look on the difference. This photo was taken with a normal mode. Yeah, this one was taken with the normal mode. So not bad, that's a lot of quality basically, when you take a look on the bottle. But when you go for the 108 megapixel mode, you can see that we can zoom definitely much closer, and we can focus, for example, of this upper section of the bottled water. We can spot some details right here that you cannot notice when you take a look on the normal photo. So when you want to get more details on your photo, just simply use this ultra resolution mode that you can find right here. And basically that's all. So that's my top and useful options that you can find in this phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.